Hi, so as you know, we've saved this out of Photoshop, and as you can see, like a big part of the this is kind of weird. A big part of constructing photos or layouts is actually gathering the elements, so images that you're going to be using for your design, and so you're going to be actually spending a lot of time just gathering images and then using Photoshop to manipulate them, put them in the right CMYK color mode, make sure that there's high enough resolution, clipping them, maybe even changing clone stamping or changing colors. Like maybe you want to change a red from red to like yellow. So you're going to be using Photoshop quite a bit, but we're not doing any project per se in Photoshop. We're just going to be using it practically how most designers would use it. So anyway, let's see here. So it will help us to look at our rough draft just to kind of get, I don't know which one's which, honestly. Oh, there we go. So we kind of got this part done. This will be built using the pen tool, I'm guessing, in InDesign. So we kind of need to picture the bear paws. I have some of on my phone, and I frown on you guys doing this because this is, probably not going to be high enough resolution. But I'm going to go ahead and go into my Facebook page. And like I said, I don't want you guys doing this. I want you guys using, images from your phone, email that to your phone, or email yourself from your phone, your high resolution images of the bear paws. Let's see, I'm pretty sure. Oh, here's a good one. Actually, this is Steve Helmbrecht's photo, but I might just use it for this purpose. So that's actually a view from Otis. This is before the fire. I probably have some other ones somewhere. Well, not really seeing any actually. So, okay. We'll just use that. So we'll be using that kind of in the background here. And then Cowan Hall, like a picture of Cowan Hall. I don't know. Well, see, this is a historical one, so I could potentially use it. Unfortunately, it's teeny, 425 pixels by 217. That's not really going to work very well. Too bad I can't use that, though. That's kind of neat. That's not very big either. Well, we don't have very good images of Cowan Hall just online, but I don't have enough time to go take one. So just for sake of trying to save time, maybe this might help. No, not really. Oh, this is a little bit bigger. Yeah, it's a background on this page. I might try and steal this if I can. Control. Yeah, this is how you do it. What if I did that? So what if I command? Dang it. Well, I guess I'm not going to be able to grab this one. Looks like it's one of their fire and safety report. Well, if I had more time, obviously I would say just go outside and take a picture of it. This is kind of neat. Okay, whatever. Well, we'll just have to use this, I guess, and just pretend like it's not awful. Guess that's as big as it gets. Click and drag that, click and drag it. You can also do on some images, if you're not having any luck, save image to downloads or save image as. And so that was like a, was it a control click? Control click. And that's actually Donaldson Hall. That's not even Cowan. Yeah, I'm really not doing a very good job finding a decent picture of Cowan Hall online anyway. This one's a little bit better. See if I can get it full size. Oh, for crying meat. Okay. Never mind. We're just not even going to go there. So I think I might look up like a Steam engine. No, Steam, let's see. Empire Builder. Let's see. I was kind of hoping to find like maybe something like this, but that's not high enough resolution. This is actually kind of a big, this is kind of a high resolution image, sort of. It's too new though. I kind of wanted to find a historical photo, but that might be kind of hard. Let's see, this one's kind of neat looking. This one might be usable. And we can kind of clip all this out and then have this in the poster. Maybe could work. Where is it? Yeah, this isn't the same image, but I will. Oop. Nope, don't do that. I don't know what just happened. Okay, it's not letting me. I wonder if I can do a control click on it. Maybe they have it in the thing that I can't get it from. Let's see if it. Nope, it must not be something that I can use. Well, if I do a control command shift 4, you could get these little, and you can actually take a screenshot, which is low resolution. Typically those are automatically saved to the desktop, although it's not looking like it went there. Well, anyway, I'm not having much luck finding decent train photos, but if we look at our, dang it, what am I doing? If we look at a rough draft, I mean, I gathered bear paws, Cowan Hall, and to find a train or a historical photo of a buffalo herd, which I might have better luck with. It doesn't mean that I can't find a train. I mean, I could definitely probably find a historic train image. Oh, come on. Okay, image. So, I mean, this is probably definitely in the public domain because it's like a steam engine. It's really old. Like this is probably definitely usable. It's kind of a neat photo. It's not, I mean, if it was high enough resolution, that is. And that's always the problem. I mean, if you go to Unsplash, you might be able to find it. So there's this. This is kind of cool. And that one's not a bad resolution either. Oh, for crazy. So let's try clicking on it. Oop. Well, I can get this one, save image to downloads. Yeah, it won't let me get that first image because every time I click, it clicks to the next one. But yeah, sometimes you just have to keep looking, and eventually you'll find something that will work. And you don't necessarily have to get everything online. But it's not necessarily a terrible idea either. So this one could work. So if I click on that, control click, save image to downloads. So I have a couple images of, probably public domain images, because this is an old image, 1922 probably. So, just make sure that you're using public domain. And if you don't know what public domain is, then just inform yourself. Which is, for some reason, this isn't working for me. Not sure what's up with my. Well, you can Google it and figure out what public domain is. So this is an old one. It's actually kind of big too. Oh, it's out of Wikipedia. Usually stuff that's in Wikipedia is public domain. So, I mean, this one could be used. Sometimes you can, open it up in a new window if you want to, but okay, so yeah, that's that train image. And then the other thing that a bison herd. I think come on. I don't know why. So Wikipedia might have some historical images. Oh, look at that. That's super neat. Like, this is really amazing. Like, that'd be kind of cool to use that photo. I don't know if it's actually kind of sad at the same time, so I don't really know if probably shouldn't use anything like that, but look at this European bison. They look a lot different. Anyway, they might have some images of. See, this is interesting. Huh. I wonder how old that is. Like, these might be really old. So this is an 1898, so that's definitely within the public domain. But let's just see about this one, because actually this is pretty cool. What year is this? Created between 1858 and 1860, so this is probably definitely in the public domain. So what if we just did a control click, saved image to downloads? I'm sure that's probably a really large image. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Could definitely maybe use that. So yeah, definitely your first processes are going to be gathering images. So we have some stuff to work with here. Okay, well, on to the next video.